Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to make chili con carne. I think it's got to be the biggest dish in the world at the moment. Everyone loves a chili, vegetarian, meat, whatever. Either way, I'm going to make a fabulous one today. Should we check out the ingredients? I've got some beef stock, a little bit of olive oil required. We've got some bell pepper chopped up quite finely. I've got a finely chopped onion. I've got a can of crushed or chopped tomatoes. I've got a tablespoon of cornmeal, a couple of tablespoons of tomato paste. I've got a little bit of chopped jalapeno. I've got some gorgeous 60% cocoa dark chocolate. Then on here are our spices. We've got quite a selection of spices here. I've got a bay leaf, and then I've got some chipotle chili flakes and some ancho chili flakes. Then over there I've got some coriander, got a little bit of cinnamon for sweetness. I've got some smoked paprika, some oregano, and I've got some cumin. Over there I've got a couple of cloves of garlic that we've crushed. I've got a can of red kidney beans. They are optional, of course. And I've got the juice of a lime. And let's not forget, I've got around 1 pound, 2 ounces of ground beef, and I'm using a 80-20 ratio. That's 80 meat, 20 fat. So I'm rather excited. Without any further ado, let's crack on and get the chili cooked. Couple of tablespoons of olive oil, and then we'll just throw in the onion along with our red pepper, red bell pepper I understand it to be, along with some minced garlic. Cook that now for about 5 minutes. So once our peppers and garlic are softened, let's throw in those few jalapeno chilies along with our ground beef. And we're going to cook this now until the beef starts to brown nicely. So this will take probably 7 to 8 minutes. Okay, so our meat is nicely cooked through. A little bit of juice in the bottom of the pan there. Okay, in goes ancho chipotle, coriander, cinnamon, smoked paprika, cumin, oregano, and a bay leaf. Everything in. Give this a damn good mix in and cook that out for a further 5 minutes. Okay, let's add our fabulous beef stock. I'm going to bring that to the boil before adding any more ingredients. In goes our can of chopped or crushed tomatoes, and as the recipe states in the description below with all the other ingredient list, that can of tomatoes is a 14-ounce can. I'm going to throw in the tomato paste. I think there's about 2 tablespoons of that. Give that a little bit of a stir. I'm going to just throw in our cornmeal. I'm going to pop the beans in now. I know beans don't suit everyone. If you don't want beans, please leave them out. Bring this to a boil. And then we turn the heat right down and simmer for about 45 minutes. 45 minutes later, our chili looks and smells absolutely fabulous. I'm just going to throw in a little bit of salt and pepper now, along with a tablespoon of lime juice, and that dark chocolate that I'm putting in now. That's going to melt into all those flavours. And that chocolate's going to give it a nice bit of sweetness. And we're just going to mix that in now. Of course, I'm going to have a taste. Shall we get that bay leaf out? Because it's getting on my nerves. Away with you, Mr. Bay Leaf. Okay. Melt that chocolate in the chili. Fabulous. Absolutely fabulous. I hope my Texan friends will be proud of me. Hey everyone, smash that like button, why don't you? And if you've enjoyed the video, why not consider subscribing? It's a great way of supporting us here on the Food Revolution channel with myself, Chef Archie Pie. I'll see you guys all very soon. I'm going to get stuck in.